Thank you for joining us here at Life on Every Season. We appreciate the views and especially like the likes, and if you have comments, if you like the content, subscribe. What I'm doing today, I'm solo and I am putting the two zippered in doors from Farmer's Friend. We discussed having what kind of door we wanted, and I'm really glad we went with this because I started pricing out the material cost for putting up a door, and I was quickly getting half the price of the Farmer's Friend door. It was about $300, which was really causing me a lot to do I really want to go that route. But I'm glad I did, because if we have to move this, and you've seen on the outside we have lots of large trees, we had to suddenly take this down and move it. All I've got to do is take out the wiggle wire and a couple of stakes that hold it at the bottom, and we're done. You normally see folks framing it with 2x4s and we had plenty of extra plastic. Oh, that was one thing I wanted to say about Farmer's Friend. We bought a 50-foot tunnel and they sent 100 feet of plastic. We bought the doors, they sent extra wiggle wire to go in it, and I didn't have to run to the hardware store once. They sent all the nuts and bolts, even included a pack of the brackets and nuts and bolts spares, just in case, and I did have to get into it once, probably because I dropped something because of all the ladder work on this project. But I'll put it on time lapse. This first door, like everything else, the bows and things, I get faster as I go, but that first door by myself, and it is a little windy, took me about an hour, so hopefully this one will take a lot less time. Putting this out for information for those of you who have never done this like me. You're amateurs, you're not professionals, and giving you an idea of the real time to put one of these high tunnels, Caterpillar tunnels up. So I'll get to work.